Hi everyone, Tasha here for Paper Sweeties, and today we're going to be creating a cute little Easter card using the Paper Sweeties Sweet Kit Quarter 2. This kit has so many fun items for spring and Easter projects, but I'm going to be using the paper collection. It's called Hop to It, and it includes all of these little cut apart pieces or these little paper card pieces. I did pre-cut the card I'm using today, and it's called Hippity Hoppity, and it has little tiny Easter bunny ears. I thought it was so sweet and perfect since Easter is coming up this weekend. So again, I pre-cut that, but this paper collection includes so many different designs. It also has stickers and several pieces of double-sided pattern paper. I'm going to be using the pattern paper that has little carrots that kind of form a shape of a heart. I love the carrot design, and that orange and green color works perfectly. The back side has little bunnies, so you could use that as well, but I really like how the carrots look with this hippity hoppity with the little Easter bunny ears popping up. So cute. So to begin, we're going to go and create some layers to mat the little hippity hoppity card. I'm using some orange cardstock. I thought the orange would be perfect because the background of this bunny card is green. So then we have the orange, kind of like the colors of those carrots in that pattern paper. Since these two colors were both kind of dark, I decided to use a piece of white cardstock just to separate the colors. So it's going to be a middle layer. I like to do this when you have colors that are right up against each other. Just having either a black or white or some type of tone like that to kind of separate the colors, I think makes the colors pop and look a little bit better. So I'm going in with that same orange cardstock to make a bigger layer. This is going to be the base layer of our card. So this is going to be the same size as the card base. For some sparkle, I'm using this really pretty gold shade of glitter paper. This is kind of a deeper or darker gold color, almost like a deep rose gold color, but it looks great with the orange. And I think just having that bit of sparkle along the edge really steps up your card. It adds so much sparkle when the light hits it, and I love how it looks with this pretty pattern paper. After I was done cutting the pattern paper down to size, it was time to make my card base. I'm using just a piece of white cardstock and folding it in half. I'll reverse it, fold it in half again, and then score it with my bone folder. This way that crease line is nice and clean. I'll go over to the paper trimmer again and just cut it down to size. This is such an easy way to make card bases, and you can make it any size you need to. So I made it the exact same size as the orange paper. I didn't want any of the white to show, so it's really easy to lay this on since I don't have to worry about a layer. But you could make the white card base a little bit bigger to give you a white frame around the edge. Next, I'm going to use my glue runner to just attach all of the layers. You could use score tape or liquid glue for this, but I think it's best when you're attaching something to glitter paper or cardstock to use either score tape or glue runner. It just seems to attach better and have a better hold. Now I'm going to attach it to the orange and the card base. Again, I'm using the same glue runner throughout this project. It's really fast and easy. I love the way that orange and the glitter pops with those little fun carrots. It's just so cute. Now to attach my little center card, I'm going to start with the printed design and then add it to that white layer. I wanted to make sure I got this part as straight as possible, so I thought it was easiest to do the printed paper onto the white first and then build up from there. So now I'm going in and attaching it to that orange layer. It looks really good and finished when you have multiple layers of those same colors throughout your card. So again, we have the orange in the print, and then we have orange in both layers. To make the center card stand up just a little bit, I'm using some foam tape. If you don't have foam tape, you could also use extra pieces of paper that you may have or some scrap paper. or you could use little foam dots. They'll work just as good. This is what I have, so this is what I'm going to use for this project. But in past projects, I also use little foam sheets, and it gave the same look. So now I'm just centering this right in the center of that main card, and that's how it looks completed. The other project I made using the same paper collection is another Happy Easter card with this little cute bunny. I did use a stencil to create my own design with the pink flowers in the background, and the stencil is also included in this kit. So these are my 2 fun Easter cards, and I hope you guys are enjoying all of the fun projects with the Paper Sweeties Sweet Kit. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.